Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a retro daisy granny square blanket pattern. You can use any of different colors, wool, double knit medium weight 4 ply or 3 ply. Join together all the square and make a size smaller or bigger for this blanket pattern. Let us start. In this video I will show you a retro daisy flower granny square. I am using different color light wool 3 ply with 3.5 mm crochet hook. You can use any of crochet 3 ply or 4 ply wool for this granny square. Make a magic circle and chain 1, single crochet in the circle 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue and make 16 single crochet in the circle. I have 16 single crochet in the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch, 2 chains we don't count, and double crochet in each single crochet stitch. Make a double crochet 1 in each stitch around. In row 2 I have 16 double crochet. Make a slip stitch, skip 2 chains and slip stitch. Finish. In row 3 in the double crochet stitch, join next color, start with 2 chains in the same stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, double crochet 1, 2 and 3, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, skip a next stitch. In the next double crochet make double crochet 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet 3 in the next stitch, and then repeat the same work around. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the double crochet stitch and change color. Change color and make a chain 1 in the back loop, single crochet 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 in the double crochet back loop, single crochet 3 and 1 double crochet 1 step down in the skipped double crochet stitch, and continue work in the next 3 double crochet stitches, back loop, single crochet, leave the front loop, double crochet and make back loop, single crochet next 3 stitches and 1 double crochet 1 step down, and continue the same work around. I have completed 4 rows for the pattern. Make a double crochet 1 in the last stitch and make a slip stitch in the single crochet stitch, change color and start row 5. 2 chains, start with 2 chains in the double crochet, 3 stitches, make front loop, double crochet 1 in the middle stitch, increase and double crochet 2 in the next stitch, front loop, double crochet, make 1 double crochet. In here chain 1 and skip double crochet stitch in the next 3 stitches, front loop, double crochet 1 in the next stitch, in the middle stitch, increase and double crochet 2, and double crochet 1 in the next stitch, front loop, double crochet. Continue and follow the same work around. I have completed 5th row, chain 1 and slip stitch in the double crochet stitch, join and change color. Chain 1 in the same stitch, back loop, single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4, back loop, single crochet 4 in row 6 and 1 step down in the double crochet stitch, make a double crochet 2, increase and single crochet in the next 4 double crochet stitches, back loop, single crochet, and 1 step down in the double crochet stitch, make a double crochet 2 and continue the same work around. I have completed 6 row for the pattern. In the single crochet, make a slip stitch and change color. Row 7, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the front loop, double crochet stitch 1 and double crochet front loop in the double crochet stitch 2. In the next stitch, increase, double crochet 2 and 1 double crochet in the next double crochet, and make a 2 chains in the next group. Follow the pattern. At the end of row 7, make 2 chains and slip stitch in the double crochet stitch, change color. Row 8, in the same stitch, single crochet 1, single crochet, back loop 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the 5 stitches, back loop and 1 step down in the double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet and double crochet 2 in the next stitch, increase, and then follow the same work around. I have completed 8 row. In the double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 step down, double crochet 2 at the end, and then slip stitch in the single crochet stitch and change color. Chain 1 and 1 step down in the double crochet stitch, front loop, single crochet and skip the next double crochet. In the next double crochet, make 5 double crochet in the middle stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and skip this double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet and 3 chains. At the end of row 9, 3 chains, slip stitch in the single crochet stitch. In the next row, we are going to make a square. In the corner, make a square and follow the pattern. We are going to start work from here. Behind of the stitch, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 step down, single crochet 4 and 5 stitches, single crochet in the next double crochet stitches, single crochet 5, single crochet 6 and single crochet 7 stitches, and behind single crochet next 5 stitches, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 single crochet, and in the next group of double crochet, skip this first double crochet in the middle stitch, make a corner, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 2 chains and double crochet 3 in the same stitch, and then follow the same work in the 5 stitches, make a single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the 3 double crochet stitches. Here make a single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. I have 13 single crochet between 2 corners. And now in the next group, skip this double crochet in the middle stitch, make a corner, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, double crochet 3 in the same stitch, and then continue single crochet behind the stitches 13, then make a corner in the next group and continue the same work around. Okay, I have completed a square. Make a single crochet 1 in the last stitch, and I have 13 single crochet between 2 corners, 13 single crochet, 13 single crochet and 13 single crochet in the fourth side. I have completed 13 single crochet. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch and start work with 2 chains in the same stitch, make a double crochet, and from here continue, make 13 double crochet in each single crochet stitch. In the next 3 double crochet corner stitches, make a double crochet 13, 14, 15, 16, and in the corner make a corner, double crochet 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in the same corner stitch, 1, 2 and 3. And now from here in the next corner stitch, make 1 double crochet and then continue double crochet in each stitch across till the next corner and make a corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet in the middle and complete a square as we have done here. Okay, we have completed 2 different colors, a retro daisy flower granny square for blanket. You can make it in different colors and join together with a slip stitch. Make 6 by 6 or 8 by 8, 10 by 10 and join together, make a blanket. Now I will show you a finished project for this blanket. Make 6 and join together. This one I have 5 and this one I have 6. Join together. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.